Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com and those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. First up this evening, at least 20 people, including 6 children, are now homeless after fire destroyed 3 houses in Puerto Maria, St. Mary this morning. No one was hurt during the blaze, but the fire victims are pleading for a lifeline to get their lives back on track. In the meantime, the St. Mary Fire Department is still trying to determine the cause of the fire. When our news team visited the community, we observed firefighters carrying out cool-down.
I feel in China, I know country, I'm so come and shop with extend this. Feel the man, I hold it for Elijah in there, China. When we leave to go on the beach, we go look some fish, me and my daughter, you know? And then as we reach up by the beach, we hear say the whole place burn. We don't know that possible, it just burn down so fast.